Hello guys, we are back with a new product which is EmoEye Smart Lamp. So let's do its unboxing and check out its amazing functions. The product comes with nice hard cardboard box and there are information about its functionalities on the box. There are different functionality written on the box, so let's check out and review this product. First thing you're gonna find is the product itself, which is EmoEye. Beneath it you will find instruction manual, which I recommend you to read it precisely if you're using it for first time. After that you're gonna find the USB cable for charging it. And in the end you're gonna find the reset pin. With the help of it you can eliminate all user settings. Just you have to insert the pin in aux port for 5 seconds and the device will restart automatically. So on the first go I recommend you to charge your device for at least 3 to 4 hours. To access full functionality of the gadget, you need to download EmoEye application, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can follow our steps or you can download from the link in the description. The user interface is similar in both iOS and Android. Now to connect EmoEye with your device, you need to press power button for 5 to 6 seconds until the indicator didn't glow. To make initial connection, open the app and select H0023 model number and then go to phone Bluetooth and pair with this device. You can glow the lamp with a hit at 45-degree angle. By tapping it again, you can adjust its brightness too. If you are not able to use this feature, then your smart touch sensor is off. The button is present at the bottom of the device. You can switch on or off according to your requirement. The beauty of this device is that it comes with a Bluetooth speaker with a 360 immersive sound projection, which is controlled by EmoEye app. Here is a sample. It comes with 4 different ports. In first you can insert a memory card and it got a power bank too to charge your various devices, followed by aux input and at the last charging port. It comes with a 1750 mAh battery, which is not huge but it might come handy in emergency cases, for instance in case of a power cut. The app comes with different functions for different purposes. The more you explore, the better you get to know about it. The fun about this thing is that you can change the color of the light. For instance, you can change while playing music or for whatever reason you may like. Through the app you can change its light in various colors and can control its brightness too. Personally, I like to play music with this device in dark places. Here is a demo to show you how it looks. According to me, it's a very decent product with multi-functionalities, like it's a powerful combo of a power bank, multicolored lights and a Bluetooth speaker. Though I don't find power bank a very useful thing in this, but still it can be used. Overall in rupees 3699 you are getting an amazing product. If you want to buy, I will give you the link in the description. That's it guys. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Peace out.